Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do an interesting dish which is green beans porridge. Firstly, we are going to saute our green beans without any oil or any kind of liquid on our pan. We are going to saute it until we can see a slightly brown color. Next, we are going to wash our green beans and let it soak for an hour. After soaking our green beans, now it's ready to make the porridge. Now we are going to add pandan leaves. And together with cardamom. Next, we are going to add a pinch of salt. Now we need to cover our porridge and let it cook. Now after our beans have resulted into this, we are going to add our second milk, which is a bit watery. Mix it all together. After letting our green beans boil together with the coconut milk earlier, now we are going to add sugar. And together with brown sugar, which is also known as gula melaka, and mix it all together. Now we are going to add our washed sagu. After that, we are going to add our first milk, which is a bit thick, as you can see from the video. On a side note, we need to constantly stir our porridge to avoid it from being scorched. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.